It is Thanksgiving 2022. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. It's about 11 o'clock. Came out here to start the smoker. Gonna put a couple burgers on. Got the smoker warming up right behind me there. There's a couple of feral cats that are around here. One of them's really friendly. And that's the problem, is once you start petting them, they never go away. Danielle was out playing with it last night, and it was right when I came out, it was sitting right by the door. Pretty funny. Another beautiful day. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Looks like a lot of rain coming in. Some tomorrow and some on Sunday. So Tina's not doing too good. She's fighting a bad head cold. We just had these colds about a month ago. Unfortunately, she picked it back up. We might just end up taking off tomorrow. We have the cabin till Sunday, but we were going to plan on leaving Saturday anyway, because we're having our Thanksgiving on Sunday with the family. There's a lot of schedule conflicts for today, so we decided to schedule for Sunday. So we may end up leaving just a day early. No sense being here when you don't feel great. She was up coughing all night, and I couldn't sleep because I was up in the loft and I could hear her coughing. So it is what it is. So we'll probably end up taking off. We bought a lot of food for today. Not a lot, but enough for 3 people. So typical Thanksgiving stuff. So we'll do that. We were coming back from the store last night, and right before dusk there was 3 deer that walked through the circle up here behind us. It's pretty cool. Surprised I haven't seen more deer. All right. Got the smoker going. See what temp we're at here. Just want to get it kind of hot for burgers. I got it set at 350. Right by the burners, it's around 400. The top temp is only 2 though. So we'll let that warm up a little bit more. Pellets I'm using today, or I'm using up these. These are the Kingsford garlic, onion, paprika. These things normally run like $12 at Lowe's. I got them on special for like $4.50. They were clearing off pallets for Christmas stuff. I should have bought a bunch of them. Yeah, and look, there's the cat. I think that cat actually made it on TikTok. I think my daughter did a TikTok video. Yep, he went. All right, I'm gonna go get ready for the burgers.
This is another one. You want to come say hi? Do you want to come say hi?
We're up by the rec center presently. Going for a nice walk. Danielle's behind me playing with a cat. We've got cats everywhere.
There's literally cats everywhere.
There's lots of cats here.
It keeps meowing. What does it want? Hi, kitty.
Very quiet. Nobody here. One person in a cabin right over here. Beautiful day. In the 50s. Big change from what it's been. Let's spin you around and let's go for a walk. Gonna go for a walk with us? Come on, let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk.
Let's see what's over here.
They're everywhere.
Pick a spot, any spot.
There's literally nobody here. It's empty. I wonder if we'll find any more.
I have a feeling that one was sitting up by that. I think there's somebody in that one cabin. I'm betting they were just with that car.
Yes, he's following us.
Oh, we have a friend.
He's very slowly following us.
Somebody new to see. Very quiet. Yeah, take a look. What do you think?
Look at all the writing.
Everybody signed it. Long way down there.
Wow.
Leaves everywhere. Cat didn't follow us.
Yeah, it did it first. But...
It did. Didn't want to come out here to see the overlook.
Moves all the way back there.
So we were just walking along here, and it sure would appear that this is ash, and it sure is ash. I think they had a little fire over here. I think the leaves caught on fire along this road right here.
Yeah.
Huh. That could have been pretty bad. Actually, it went a long way. I don't know, went a good 30 or 40 yards. Huh. Glad it wasn't any worse.
Yeah.
Jeez. Crazy what you see. I remember one of the first times I brought the kids down, Sam and Matthew.
Yeah.
We had the pop-up when we were down in that little valley.
Oh.
They don't even have that as a spot anymore.
Oh, wow.
But yeah, we went down there and put the pop-up down there. But they don't even have it where you can even go down here. Still got the table down there. It's been a couple years. A long time ago.
It's nice today.
Yeah, real nice day. So there's this really cool field cat around here. This thing he's really cool, he or she. I'm not a cat person, but if I wanted a cat, this would be the cat I want. This cat is awesome. Friendly as all get out. Comes up right to you. Then there's another one around here that's kind of skittish. This cat just wants affection. Cracks me up. I'll come out here and sit, and it'll just find me. I don't know if it hears me talking about something out here. It'll just come right up. Oh, there you are. Come right up and see you. Yeah. He had a tick on him the other day and fell off. That's the way they do it. Had a tick by his ear. I didn't bring any tweezers, so I know they just fall off eventually. And it did. This cat's cool. We have some new neighbors. Some people finally moved into the next red one over, the red roof. All week there's only been 2 other guys. I think they're hunters. I think they're hunting down at Salt Fork State Park. We're getting into gun season next week for deer. I think they've been hunting down there bow. I think they've been bow hunting. But it's 2 trucks. I've never seen any women down there. So I think it's just been those 2 guys all week with us. At all 7 cabins. So it's been quiet. Except for you, huh? Man, you are just, look at this, you're so affectionate. You crack me up, dude. Or girl, you crack me up. Crack me up. Like I said, if I ever wanted a cat, this has been the perfect cat. I know Danielle loves it. If we already didn't have 2 dogs, I think we'd be taking home a cat. Oh, you want your belly rubbed? Is that what you want, your belly rubbed? You want your belly rubbed? So this video is going to be for dedication to this awesome cat. You've made this trip a little more interesting and not boring, because there ain't much to do here, huh? Crazy cat. I think Danielle named it Oreo or Twilight, one or the other. But see, I get up, it's going to follow me. The other cat really wanted no part of us. It's kind of skittish. So there we go. Gonna show us where to go? Going back to the cabin? Okay.